Well, I can't unsee that, unfortunately. Once again, Swole Dixon trying to keep order. I suspect that's going to be easier said than done at this point. Joey Mack does not look very impressed by the team of Kid Lat and Adonis Allen. And the Kid Lat chants echoing through this arena. And Joey Mack wants none of the Lat, and here comes Motivation Mike. No one should wrestle in khakis, I'm just saying. Big shoulder block. Motivation Mike trying a little bit of tough motivation. And that is the quickness of the Lightning Kid. And he is poetry in motion, pure magic. And Mike is reeling. Oh, big chop. And the Lightning Kid having his way right now. He's got it locked in. The hometown hero's doing very well so far. Now a little double team action by Thunder and Lightning. Oh! Atomic drop into a standing drop kick. That's very impressive. And Motivation Mike needs a tag. And Adonis Allen just throwing people around. Thundercat in full effect right now. Oh! Running Bulldog, and down goes Mike. Thunder and Lightning making quite an impression here tonight. Double knee strike and the cover, 1, 2. A little help from Joey Mack, very little. Joey Mack has not expended a whole lot of energy thus far. Waiting for his turn, but Mike is in bad trouble. Toe hold. And they are in sync. This is tag team wrestling at its finest. They're teaching a clinic. Up, Kid Lat is going up. And the angry pirate with the cane seems to be a little perturbed. I don't know if he got all of it, but he got enough of it to be amusing. But Motivation Mike makes Lat pay. That is a perfect suplex executed by Motivation Mike, and now Joey Mack will get his inauguration into this match. Belly to belly suplex. And the cover does not hook the leg. You are not going to beat a team like Lat and Adonis Allen without hooking a damn leg. Ooh, that is just an insulting slap by Joey Mack. Big chop right there. And for the first time in the match, Kid Lat is in trouble. Big chop. Another chop. Another chop. Oh my. Very, very nicely executed suplex by Joey Mack. He might have the win here, does hook the leg. And Lat finds a way to get out of that predicament. He is going to need to make a tag. And right now, Mack and Motivation Mike have cut the ring off. They have left Kid Lat on an island. Referee admonishing Motivation Mike for those closed fist strikes. And now he is using that center rope as a weapon. That is absolutely illegal. And LAT trying to strike back, but a little help on the outside. And down goes LAT again, and now tag. And now he's just trying to cut off the air supply, stepping right on his throat. And now some more extracurricular chicanery. How did the ref not see it? And finally the ref sees it. He is going to have to make these people go to the back. Get him out of here! Yes! Justice has been served! And the odd couple, as we'll call them, they're headed back to the ring. Joey Mack had an opportunity for a win, but the ref is distracted by his own men. Backbreaker by Motivation Mike. And the cover 1, 2. And LAT kicks out at the last possible second. Yeah! Adonis Allen getting a little overexcited. We've never heard Robin say that before. And now LAT and Mike are just squaring off against each other. Oh! And that is the magic of Kid LAT right there. Mike doesn't even know where he is at this point. And the fans willing Kid LAT to make the tag. Can he make it? It's like we're watching Endgame. Kid LAT on your left. And here comes the Thundercat. And the educated feet of Adonis Allen. Oh! Kicked him right in the face. That's going to leave a mark. And the Thundercat is rocking and rolling here tonight. Oh! Springboard cross body. And he is fired up. And he's tuning up the band. Well scouted by Joey Mack. And now Joey Mack is going up. Frog splash, that could be it. Adonis Allen finding a way to kick out at the last possible second. And now Joey Mack is tuning up the band. Uh-oh. Here comes Mike. Kid LAT says no. Uh-oh. I think we know what this means. What area code are we in? Whatever area code, say it loud, say it proud. And Kid LAT is fired up. And the Super Friends are going up top to the high red district. We're about to see the Thunder. Oh! The covers! Big win for Thunder and Lightning. The entire building is standing in approval as Thunder and Lightning a very impressive victory. A huge win here at Lincoln Hall Brawl, and why not? They were the poster kids. Smiles all around the arena as LAT and Adonis Allen take a bow. I saw Kid LAT's family earlier. I know they're happy. What a performance.
Shut up! I know that's right, period.
Keep it going for Thunder and Lightning, everybody.